Alright, I'm back in the creek I looked in 2 years ago here in Laurinburg and found a lot of bottles in it. And you can see already, there's an amber orange crush. You can see trash coming out of the bank, and there's the neck of a soda bottle. Yeah, I definitely didn't see that one last time. Oh, it's just a Coke bottle. But it is the embossed tall 10 ouncer. It's a lot more rare than the 6.5 ounces, but people just don't really seem to care about that. But at least it's probably worth $3 or $4. Not even sure if I should keep that since it lost its paint. There's a lot of bottles right here. These supposedly made some kind of flavored drink like Kool-Aid back in the 40s. I'll just come back for this if I don't find enough to fill my sack with. And then up under the ledge there's a Coke bottle hiding in there. It's got a lot of case wear. And it's from Hamlet, just like I would figure it would be. It's pretty rough, but I guess it's worth $2 or $3 anyway. Then what have we got hiding here? It is a Dream soda. I'm surprised the paint's still on it. And it is from Laurinburg. That's pretty good. The more I look in this little area, the more bottles I see hiding. There's some kind of embossed soda right there. Well, guess not. There's a Modern Wine and a Mountain Dew that lost its paint. But here we have a cork top. It's just a Fletcher's Castoria, super common. There's very little glass in this area, but right up ahead there's a ton of it. It's almost like walking in a landfill here. Oh my God, I don't believe it. It's broken, but still. A straight-sided Coke with the center slug plate. There's one of these on eBay right now for $195. But realistically, it's about an $80 bottle. Still, I'm definitely bringing it home. Yeah, that's definitely older than anything I've found in this creek so far. It's about a 1912 to 14 bottle. And then right next to it, what is this? It looks like, oh, it's a bracer. I found several of these the last time I was in this creek. Well, that's a keeper. And then another couple feet over, there's another soda. And it's another bracer, but this one's got the top broken off. A lot of sodas showing up right here, but they're broken and they're not really very old. And another bracer broken in half. Well, we got another Coke bottle. It's just the painted kind. That's too modern for me, but we got something else here. Oh, it's another painted one. What's this? No, just a Pepsi. What do we got here? Looks like a straight-sided soda type bottle. Coca-Cola Bottling Company. What does that say? Bennettsville, South Carolina. Okay, we're into another glassy area. Looks like a really old bottle sitting right here. It's a blown in the mold cobalt medicine. Then we got a White House vinegar just laying right there. And yeah, it's in perfect condition. I've got a Mountain Dew, but don't need that. Then we got another sandbar situation with about 100 bottles on it. Mostly broken, of course. Anything worth keeping here? Here's a big square mason. I usually hate these, but this is a fairly scarce brand. Genuine. I might bring that back. What do we got here? Looks like a straight-sided. And here we have an Atlas. Another one that's probably worth $4 or $5. And then what do we got here? It says Laurinburg on the back of it. Well, it's a Bob's Cola, but the paint is pretty much ruined. Hey, there's one. A Churro Cola. That's from about 1920. And it's from Hamlet. I've been looking for one of these for years. I almost thought they couldn't possibly exist. See a Coke bottle. Is it going to be embossed? Nope. Too modern. Looks like a milk bottle got clogged up in this natural dam. It's embossed too. Camden Dairies? I don't know where that's from. Well, what do we got here? Well, it's sort of embossed. Might be worth $2 to somebody. I've got two more sodas hiding right here. Well, that may not be a soda, but this one is. No, no good. Well, there's a few old pieces in here anyway. That's a whiskey neck from about 1909. I'm on my way back up and I found something I overlooked the first time around. It's a nice embossed orange crush. But it does have a big chip out of the bottom. Then we got this broken. But then there's another orange crush right over here. And of course the top's broken. Here's that bracer. It's intact. It has no city name on the bottom. But of course the one that's broken off is from Laurinburg, and that's the first one I've ever seen. Well, that was a pretty big haul considering I've already looked everything over 2 years ago here. Here's another bottle I just found on the way back. No, it wasn't.